For leading technical institutions, recruitment is a competitive effort to secure specialized expertise. At the Indian Institute of Technology Madras, this effort is currently focused on advertisement number IITM/R/1/2026, which opened on February 27, 2026. As shown in the recruitment notice, the institute is seeking to fill approximately 40 assistant professor positions. The application process is conducted online. This is a rolling advertisement, allowing the institute to review applications on a continuous basis. This structure allows the recruitment process to remain active as different researchers become available throughout the academic year, rather than relying on a static recruitment window. The stated goal of these 40 vacancies is to build the institute's future capacity and provide new mentorship for the next generation of students. To understand who is eligible for these roles, we have to look at the specific academic requirements set by the institute. Baseline criteria include a PhD and a first-class degree. Recruitment is divided into two distinct tiers, Grade 2 and Grade 1. Grade 2 is for researchers with under 3 years of post-PhD experience. Grade 1 requires a minimum of 3 years of experience. This two-tiered system allows the institute to recruit both early career researchers and those with established records in their respective fields. Once hired, these faculty members will be distributed across the institute's various specialized departments. This diagram represents the breadth of the search. It covers traditional engineering fields like aerospace and chemical engineering, as well as core sciences like mathematics and physics. The recruitment also includes biotechnology, humanities and social sciences, and management studies. By hiring across these diverse disciplines, the institute maintains a broad academic infrastructure capable of addressing various research areas. Meeting the eligibility requirements is only the first step. Candidates must then pass through a structured 4-stage selection process. The first 2 stages involve an initial scrutiny of the application, followed by a detailed evaluation by the relevant department. Stage 3 requires a seminar or research presentation, where the candidate's work is reviewed by their peers. The final stage is a personal interview, which serves as the last hurdle in the selection mechanism. To ensure transparency throughout this process, the institute notifies shortlisted candidates via email at every individual stage. Ultimately, this 4-step filter is designed to identify the most qualified candidates from the applicant pool for the final appointments. Successful candidates gain access to the institute's research infrastructure and support for impactful research projects. However, note these specific dates. The current application window closes October 15, 2026. Applications submitted by then enter the current review cycle. Later submissions move to the next review, tentatively scheduled for November 2026 onwards. Potential applicants can apply through the faculty recruitment portal at facapp.iitm.ac.in/2026R or by scanning the QR code provided on the recruitment notice. IIT Madras has established the criteria and the process for these 40 new faculty positions. While the recruitment effort is currently ongoing, the deadline to be included in the current review cycle is rapidly approaching.